And as they say in the old country, whoppa!
Designer Allison Victoria is desperate to get someone's attention.
I just wanted to give you guys a free kitchen.
And she's not afraid to make some noise in her search for a kitchen to crash.
Do you need any advice?
No.
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 I knew it.
The lucky couple who finally says yes will get an elegant kitchen, complete with marble countertops, two-tone cabinets that are offset by reclaimed wainscoting, and distressed beams in the ceiling.
There we go. Hoppa! I'm looking for a nasty kitchen.
Designer contractor Allison Victoria is cooking up a surprise.
We're just trying to crash some kitchens.
Looking for people with crappy kitchens and a sense of adventure.
Can I give you my number?
They don't know it, but she's about to transform their kitchens from outdated to outrageous. This is Kitchen Crashers.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
You're so pink today.
Thank you.
We're making a big beer bong right now, so.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are.
What kind of TV is this?
Playboy TV. I'm just kidding. Hi, guys.
Hi. What's going on?
It's so funny. You're so tan.
Yes.
And I'm so pale.
And what happened to you?
I'm just not as good looking as her.
What are you guys doing today?
We are looking for a new fridge.
I figured. How's the rest of the kitchen? I mean, I know the fridge.
Nothing goes together. The kitchen is disgraceful.
So did you guys just buy the place? Is it new?
We did. We got it this year, yes.
Okay.
And we're getting married in June.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I do kitchens. I'm an interior designer. I do a show called Kitchen Crashers.
Okay.
What would you think if I want to come home with you guys today?
That would be amazing.
Yeah.
So you're in.
I'm in.
So if I come home and I think the kitchen's crap, then I give you a new kitchen, 3 days. This would be a great wedding present for you. But would I be invited to the wedding?
We get a new kitchen,
Yes.
and all we have to do
Nice.
is invite you to the wedding.
That's it.
Whatever you want.
I've been dying
you
to
can
do
marry
this.
us.
I can marry
You
you?
can marry us.
This would be awesome. Okay, how about don't buy this?
Okay.
Let me come home. Let me see.
Awesome.
Can I come home now?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
So I'm gonna follow you home. See your kitchen.
Awesome.
Wait till you see me behind you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right. If we crash them before their wedding, this is a true testament to their relationship. It's a relationship building exercise. Let's see what happens. Okay. It looks like you guys haven't even moved in.
Well, we haven't done much.
Look at this. They really did build right into that wall.
If you actually go in the hallway
Okay.
and open this door, which was a closet at one point.
Oh.
Yeah.
And there's your fridge. Here's the good thing for you guys, you have tons of room.
Right.
It's not laid out right.
Right.
No.
It's just a bad paint job on
Yep.
it. And then you put it with this awful seafoam green, faux marble, linoleum. So, I mean, what do you guys see in this?
I don't know if there's room for an island or some sort of, bar or with a bench with seats.
Uh-huh.
I would love a TV. I mean, everybody is always in here. And then they leave for a little bit to catch a piece of the game, and then they'll run back in.
Sure.
You got a lot of dreams coming true. You guys are getting a new kitchen. You're getting married by me. Don't forget it.
We did it.
Because I'm now giving this
did
to
it.
you. Okay, call your friends, call that family that you say, you're merging together. I want everybody here.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay,
We
all right,
will.
I'll see you guys when I come
Thank
back.
you.
Bye. Ho, ho, ho. Good morning! Beautiful! I like the dismount. Are you guys so excited to see your new kitchen? All right, listen, I got Mike with Complete Construction Resources.
Okay.
I got his team of bodybuilders. You guys ready?
Ready!
All right, you guys ready to see it?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's head on
Let's
in.
go.
Come on, hustle, hustle, hustle. I forgot how bad the kitchen is. Time to rip it up. Are you ready to see it?
Ready.
Yes.
You've been ready?
Absolutely.
Yes.
New kitchen.
Allison will take this kitchen from embarrassing to elegant by bringing in two-tone cabinets and adding white marble countertops.
My favorite thing is now we're gonna utilize this. So you've got prep room and everything.
Then in the dining area, a built-in bench creates seating for guests, while weathered beams on the ceiling bring character.
So a little detail on the ceiling. This table we're gonna make, it's out of old butcher block. It's actually an old butcher block from my old kitchen.
Really?
Wow.
New stainless steel appliances will match perfectly with the stamped metal backsplash. Plus, new recessed lighting and a crystal chandelier keep the space bright, while distressed wood flooring adds the final rustic touch.
Cool?
Excited, yeah.
Awesome.
Everything you want?
Everything.
Absolutely.
And more?
Yes.
Perfect. Ready to build it? Yeah! All right, guys, we gotta destroy this old kitchen to get the new one so everybody gets stuff and move. All right, grab a chair, because we're gonna burn it.
Yes.
Yeah! Yeah! There it is. There we go!
Love breaking glass.
Coming up, Allison shows off the good points of faking it.
Faux finishing is you make it look like something it's not.
Got it.
And then, Allison's not short on advice for the upcoming wedding.
You're getting married. You can't cut anything off.
Right.
When Allison met soon-to-be newlyweds Mike and Angie, she had just one condition for crashing their dumpy kitchen.
Would I be invited to the wedding?
Whatever you want.
I've been dying
you
to
can
do
marry
this.
us.
I can marry you?
Now, the demo team is ripping down the confining soffits. Angie's on cleanup duty, and the electricians are rewiring the kitchen. And Allison and Mike get to work adding interest to the dining area's ceiling.
These are those beams I was telling you about. So we're gonna do these faux beams, and then we're gonna make them look even better than just faux beams.
Okay.
We're gonna paint them in a faux finish, and then we're gonna distress them. I mean, we're gonna make these things look really nice.
Awesome.
Awesome starts with cutting the wood to the length of the dining area. Each beam is made of 2 1x4s for the sides and a 1x6 for the bottom.
Now, we assemble.
The 3-sided boxes are held together with construction adhesive and finishing nails.
All right, let's bring this over there. Perfect. All right, let's let the glue dry. When we come back, we'll start faux finishing, okay? All right, good job.
The framing crew is hard at work on the ceiling, and the plumbers are rerouting the gas lines for the stove. So Allison grabs Angie to start on the table for the dining area.
So I know you're probably ready for a new table.
Yes.
Well, this is going to be something completely different, all right? The top is going to be butcher block from my old kitchen.
Yes.
Which is cool, just
Right.
because it's like, you know, like I crashed mine, we're crashing yours. Might as well take it, upcycle it,
Take it.
turn it into a table. So the top is butcher block, the base is what we're making today, okay? So we're gonna do this kind of sawhorse look. So that's what we're cutting right now.
Okay.
All right, so you ready to cut?
Ready.
I'm gonna let you make the first cut. Now, the most important thing is this. You're getting married. You can't cut anything off.
Right.
I need you to keep your hand here
Okay.
at all times. I need you to keep it tight and nice and tight up against
Flat,
this,
okay.
okay?
The 1x1 slats will be the legs of the sawhorse, and the 3x6 pieces will form the top.
Nice.
Then, with just a few wood screws, the sawhorse base starts to take shape.
The dining table's cool just because you can use anything as the base. You can use old bar stools, you can cut down like an old ladder. You can really use anything, but we're building new sawhorses.
How's everything going over here?
Really good, Mike.
Really good?
Yeah.
Things are going so well that Allison has Big Mike take over with Angie. And with the crew working on drywall, Allison shows the groom-to-be how to make new wood look old.
Okay, my friend, it's time to paint.
Okay.
So this is a faux finish. Faux finishing is you make it look like something it's not.
Got it.
The aging of the beams starts with the base coat of paint and a coat of polyurethane to seal it up.
Nice top coat on there.
Once that's dry, Allison and Mike team up to spread first a white layer and then a darker paint stain mix.
So there you go, put like chunks like that, yeah.
Then a combination of paint, comb, and shop rags lifts and blends the two together.
And these will stand out with a white ceiling, so we want to make sure it's like enough of a contrast.
All right.
I like it.
I like it
into
too.
If Mike likes the beams, he's really going to like his new floor.
You ready for your floors?
Ready.
All right, so it's all gonna make sense with our beams, because we worked on those together. So here's the new floor.
That's awesome. It matches perfectly.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
So we're gonna run this. That is what we're doing tonight. I'll show you how easy it is. So we're gonna start with our longer plank.
Good piece.
Installing this snap-and-go flooring is so easy that the only thing the group has to concentrate on is the placement of the seams.
All right, so do you see how it's staggering? Your shorter length, longer length, shorter length, longer.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is not big homework, not bad. You see how it ties in? It's gonna look great.
Awesome.
And now you're actually gonna use this space.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool?
I love
Thank
it.
you.
Okay, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Okay.
Bye.
On the morning of day 2, the floors are down and the can lights are up on the ceiling. The first coat of paint is on the walls and the rain is falling outside. But that won't stop Allison from showing off the first surprise of the day.
Come over.
I have been anticipating these.
Those are great. They look awesome with the floor.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
See, it's
it.
all gonna tie in. I love the mix of color. It's not too stark, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like a harsh contrast. So I love the mix. I love that you guys have the soft clothes.
Yes.
So you like them?
Yes,
Yeah.
love that.
Okay, cool. So big day. You guys ready?
Yes, ready.
All right, we gotta get the guys to carry these in, and then we'll start putting them in, see them on the
Great.
floor.
Let's do it.
Come on, let's get it.
Coming up, Allison offers up something special to the bride and groom.
So it's my wedding gift to
And
you.
we could, oh, I love it.
Isn't it nice?
Yes.
And then, who says installing backsplash has to be back-breaking?
That's the easiest backsplash ever.
Yes.
Take a crash course, see the crash of the week, and tell us why your town should be crashed. It's all on the Crashers section at hgtv.com/crashers. It's midway through day 2 on Mike and Angie's Crash, and their once dingy kitchen is quickly becoming a space to be proud of. The two-tone cabinets are going in, the new appliances have arrived, and the ceiling is being prepped for the faux beams. As Angie and Big Mike start building the bench in the dining room, Allison shows young Mike how to beat the rainy day blues.
You're wondering why we got these?
Yeah.
We're gonna beat this with these chains.
right.
Are you angry today? I'm angry.
Yeah.
What are you pissed about?
The weather.
Me too.
Let's do it.
Get pumped. Okay, go. Beat the end.
I never thought you would actually build something by beating them with chains, and that was great to do. Got some aggression out.
I hate this weather. This is done. These look really good. Now all we gotta do is get them in.
Since the kitchen is crowded with the countertop team, the electricians, and the cabinet guys, the beam install will have to wait. So Allison grabs Angie to get some more work done on the table.
Yeah, I have a surprise. So this butcher block is from my old kitchen.
I love it.
I wanted to use it for something.
Yeah.
So it's my wedding gift to
And
you.
we could, oh, I love it.
Isn't it nice?
Yes.
Turning Allison's old butcher block into Angie's new one starts with the belt sander.
We have something from her house in our new kitchen. It's gonna be awesome.
Looks good.
It's great.
The sawhorse legs and a few wood screws turn this slab into a table.
Nice. You're getting good at this. Do you like it?
I love it.
So now we gotta get the stain. Once we do, it's gonna pull in all those grays. It's gonna look so much
We're
better.
gonna have somewhere to sit.
Yeah, now a real table.
With the last of the cabinets going up in the kitchen, there's finally room to put the distressed beams up in the dining area.
Muscle Mike,
What's up?
we got our beams.
All right.
So we gotta get these 2x4s up and then, boom, just attaches right over.
Okay.
The 2x4 is held to the ceiling with wood screws.
All right, let's go get that beam.
Then, a few shots of the nail gun is all it takes to hold the beam to the 2x4.
All right.
Check it out. Perfect with the floor, finish, cabinets, and now you wanna be in this room and look up.
We're getting there.
Big Mike and the team will finish out the beams, and the cabinet guys are installing a surprise dry bar. But Allison's got a surprise of her own for the homeowners.
But what have you not seen yet? Could be a
A
couple
lot.
things, I know.
Countertops?
Bingo!
Oh, yeah.
I mean, these are marble countertops. Absolutely beautiful.
So clean.
Yeah?
Fresh.
Yeah.
Better than what you had?
Yeah, night and day.
Yeah.
The marble adds a ton of fancy to the kitchen, but Allison's got some material for the wainscoting to bring back the rustic.
right, so remember, we're doing a lot of that kind of like taking something old, making it new. Old distressed barn wood. This stuff is so perfect for the space because it's got all that gray look to it, right? So we've got the distressed look, all these knots, bringing in some brown. We're gonna cut these things down. All right, grab those pieces, you got those, let's get on in. Okay, so we got the stuff cut, and now I'll show you how easy it is to put it on the wall.
All it takes is a little construction adhesive and a few nails to give this dining room some character.
Okay, lovely. Okay, so here's the deal. To finish this tonight, you help us cut, we'll put them in,
Yep.
and that's it. We have no homework. You guys ready to work?
Ready.
Okay, cool.
Day 3 arrives with the wainscoting up, the counters in, and all the cabinets in place.
Good morning!
Morning.
Look what I have.
Backsplash.
Good guess. It could have been ceiling tiles. You never know.
Oh, I'm happy it's not.
Yeah, but look how easy this is going to be to install. We're going to glue them on, couple cuts. So, you, me, Mike's, we're doing this together. You go prep our table because we're going to go ahead and stain that today.
Okay.
And then pretty much that's it. I mean, I'm not going to let you guys see much more. You excited?
Yes, very
You excited?
Yep.
Let's go put this in now.
All right.
Angie heads out to prep the butcher block for staining, and Allison and the Mikes use construction adhesive and muscle to put up the easiest backsplash ever.
I am gonna go get 3 more pieces cut, okay? And I'll be back in, but just keep kind of pushing until you feel like it's adhering. So for like an hour and a half or something, okay?
Don't move.
Good?
Coming up, the crew gets ready for the big reveal. But first, Allison pulls off a kitchen crasher first.
Oh my goodness.
When Allison offered to crash Mike and Angie's kitchen before their wedding, she asked for just one thing.
And all we have to do is invite you to the wedding.
That's it.
100%.
Yeah.
But before they have to live up to their end of the bargain, Allison has to live up to hers. So the painting crew is putting on the finishing touches. The chandelier's going up, and the last of the backsplash is going in. And Allison gets Angie started on the last step for the butcher block table.
Are you ready to see the finish?
Yes.
Look at this. So it's like a gray wash, all right? Because you've got a lot of this kind of
Very
yellow
cool.
tone in it.
Yes.
It's gonna bring that up, so it's gonna warm it up a little bit. So get ready. You ever stained before?
Ever.
It's probably the easiest thing in the world to do. You tell me this table doesn't look like $1 million.
I love it.
All right, so why don't you go ahead, give it a little swipe, just so there's no like streaks or anything like that, and then you guys are gonna be done for the day.
Okay.
The happy couple may be done, but the crew has a lot left to do. The electricians install the range hood. The plumber works on the sink. And the dishwasher, fridge, microwave, and stove all find their homes, as does the new TV to watch the game on.